Have you ever wondered why people snore? In the next few seconds, you'll learn 10 crazy facts about snoring. Snoring is caused by the vibration of respiratory structures during breathing while sleeping. Fact number 1. Snoring can reach up to 90 decibels, as loud as a lawnmower. Did you know that sleeping on your back makes you more likely to snore? Even babies can snore. Dogs and cats snore too. Men are twice as likely to snore as women. Alcohol can make snoring worse. Allergies can also trigger snoring. Being overweight increases your chances of snoring. Nasal strips can help reduce snoring. Not everyone who snores has sleep apnea, but it's worth checking. Have you noticed any of these facts in your own life? Snoring can impact relationships and health. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more amazing facts.